Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to install iOS 15 developer beta 7 on iPhone. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, connect to Wi-Fi and launch Safari browser and search for beta profile and tap on first link. After loading the page, scroll and tap install profile. Tap install anyways and tap allow. Close and launch settings. Profile downloaded. Tap install. iPhone passcode. Install not now and tap done. Now go back to settings and general and tap software update, and you will get iOS 15 developer beta 7 ready to download. Now tap download and install to get iOS 15 developer beta 7 on your iPhone 6 to iPhone 12. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.